Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, as you can see, we're going to talk about VAN9003 error for Valorant. And right now, for this one, this is actually a very frustrating error. It sometimes requires network settings reset. However, I have a very smooth and very sure 100% solution for you. So the step-by-step for this one is check your system requirements for Valorant to make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Basically, type in here on your search bar, that would be DXDiag. This one right here. Let me just fix the spelling, and this is gonna be it. Let me just open it up, and this is what we have. As you can see right here, the minimum requirement, if I'm not mistaken, would be at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, and Ryzen 3 for AMD and above, and I think for Nvidia that would be 1050 and above. Most importantly, Windows 11 must have a Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 enabled for Valorant to work. Alright, that was for Windows 11. Now check if Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. That will be the second one right there by pressing Windows R and type this option right here. Let me just zoom it in and press enter. Check the TPM and basically make sure it should be on and not off. Number 3, enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot in BIOS. Basically 2 and 3 are basically the same. However, for step 2, you're gonna have to check it within the Windows option. For step 3, you're gonna check it on the BIOS. Step 4, reinstall Riot Vanguard. By pressing this option Windows R, type this option services.msc and press enter. Find and stop the VGC service and navigate to this folder path and delete the folder. 4, reinstall and uninstall your Valorant by restarting your PC and reinstalling Valorant on the website of Riot Games. Vanguard will absolutely automatically reinstall after downloading the application. Update your Windows for step 5. Go to settings, as you can see right here, I'm just going to type in there, update, like so, and check for updates. And as you can see right here, I think I have a pending update. Other than that, just update your GPU drivers and NVIDIA to their official store. Make sure you go to the official store by clicking this one. I'm going to type in NVIDIA, AMD, drivers, and basically choose one of your drivers that best suited to your pattern and update it. Next, final check, restart your computer, launch Valorant. The VAN9003 error should now resolve if Secure Boot and TPM are properly configured. These are the keywords right here. Secure Boot and TPM are the number one go-to to fix this problem if you're using Windows 11. Okay? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.